affiliate takeoff review. Hey guys and girls, this is Nagu from NaguDharan.com. So in this video I am going to review that product called that affiliate takeoff, which is the video course launched by Cynthia Bennett on 18th April 2021 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right? So actually this course will reveal how that 69-year-old lady has made his first affiliate commission, and what the method he had used. Those things you will learn inside this course, right? So let's have a look at the members area of that affiliate takeoff. So right now I'm in the affiliate takeoff members area. So you can see this is the very neatly organized membership and video course site. So it has that module 1, module 2, module 3 up to module 7 are there. Here that main training is started in module 2. So it has that overview of method, the account, the product, the lander, the video, the conversion booster, and the takeoff. So if you complete all these video courses, which has take less than 5 to 10 minutes only, it will not a long hours of video you need to sit and watch in your own time. You can completely watch all of this video course within maximum of 1 hour time. You can finish this course and you will learn that new thing to start making money online with this technique what you have learned with this affiliate takeoff, right? So also this affiliate takeoff are having some cool bonuses and unannounced bonuses, and it includes that resources. What the resources is talk about inside this main training, that resources also is there, and it has that upgrade also. So this is something you are looking to earn money online and you didn't find any finite way or simple way to make money online, then I recommend you to purchase this affiliate takeoff to learn the new method to start the earning right from today itself. Because that 69 years old lady can do this, why can't you do this, right? So if you are interested to purchase this affiliate takeoff, I have created some special bonus page and given the link down below this video to make your investment very fruitful. So if you click that link, it will take you to my bonus page that exactly look like this. So in this bonus page I have mentioned that I have given that yes order now button in various places. So if you click this yes order now button, it will take you to the sales page of affiliate takeoff where you can purchase that affiliate takeoff, right? So when you do that purchase like this, then you will get all of my bonuses as a 100% as a free of cost, right? So let's have a see what are the bonuses I'm offering you. For that I simply click that claim my bonus now button on my bonus page. It will directly take me to the bonus section of my bonus page, right? So here all of the bonuses are my exclusive bonuses. With that said, you can feel free to shop around and find what other marketers are offering the bonuses for affiliate takeoff, and you will realize my bonuses are unique. When you found my bonuses are unique, then you can always come back to my bonus page by clicking the link that I have given down below and come to this bonus page and click yes order now button to purchase that affiliate takeoff, right? Let's have a look at the bonuses. So that bonus number 1 is you will learn how to earn money by Instagram. Though that affiliate takeoff is teaching you that one unique technique to earn money from Clickbank, so I will offering you some more courses to earn money through Instagram. You can learn from this bonus. And my bonus number 2 is the live demo. So if you are willing to get the organic traffic to your website, then that number 1 way is to you need to get the top rank for your websites or offer page or whatever it is, right? So for that the main thing is that keyword analysis, right? So in this video I will show you in live demo the way I uncover that long tail keyword with the free resources. So those things I will show you, you can learn this. And my bonus number 3 is the best way to promote that digital products or service in Warriorplus. And bonus number 4 is the plugin that HTML5 advert web page builder, you will get it. And bonus number 5 is the branding hacks. This is the 2-part course you will get from along with this affiliate takeoff when you purchase the product via my affiliate link, right? And bonus number 6 is the insurgency leverage affiliate takeoff with Facebook advertisement. Though that affiliate takeoff is targeting you to how to make money through Clickbank, this particular course will also boost up your money making process. So this bonus will teach you how you can leverage that Facebook advertisement with high ticket products, right? And my bonus number 7 is let other people happily develop your list for you with viral marketing. So that email marketing is the end goal on the affiliate marketing. Means any affiliate marketer end goal is to build the responsive buyers list on their own to drive the traffic to wherever they want. So this particular bonus will teach you how that other people can build the list for you through viral marketing. And bonus number 8 is the 3 methods to monetize your offer with affiliate takeoff. So you can learn that 3 more methods how to monetize. Though that affiliate takeoff will teach you 1 method, with this you can learn the 3 methods, right? So guys, these are all the bonuses I am offering you. Let's have a look at the pricing of this affiliate takeoff. For that, I little bit scroll up on my bonus page. So here that front end of that affiliate takeoff comes with only $13. So if you purchase front end alone, also I am guaranteeing you I will give all of the bonuses what I have mentioned just now, right? And that upgrade 1 is a 47, upgrade 2 is a 97, upgrade 3 is a 197, and upgrade 4 is the 67. So I have given the very detailed information about all of this upgrades and front end. You can come to my bonus page by clicking the link that I have given down below and read it on your own time. So now assume you have come to my bonus page and click this yes order now button, right? You click this yes order now button and purchase all of the affiliate takeoff, either that front end product or upgrades also. Then how you will get all of the custom bonuses what I have mentioned just now. So it's very simple. After you purchase that affiliate takeoff, you just go to the Warriorplus purchase receipt page for that affiliate takeoff. That might be look like this, that may look like this. So in this page you can find this access affiliate bonus button. When you click this button, all of the bonuses what I have mentioned just now will be delivered instantly, right? So I hope you enjoyed my review and my bonuses also. So I am looking forward to grab my bonuses by purchasing this affiliate takeoff. Okay guys, with that said, I am signing off here, Nagu from NaguDharan.com. Bye bye.